All night, hearing voices telling me that I should get some sleep because tomorrow might be good or something. Hold on, feeling like I'm heading for a breakdown. I don't know why, but I'm not crazy. I'm just feeling like well, I know right now you can stay a while, maybe you can see. Deep inside of me, I'm not crazy. I'm just a little unfair. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me. How I used to be. Don't you know? Public, and your glasses are not great. All I know that I keep falling, I keep hurting this way. We dream. Somehow, I've lost my mind, but I'm not crazy. I'm just a little like hell. I know right now you can die, but stay a while, maybe they can see. Deep inside of me, I'm not crazy. I'm just a little like hell. I know right now you can see.
Mahirapan ang matulog eh, pero yun ang
Now I used to be.
magkakaroon.
I've been talking in my sleep. Pretty soon you'll come to get me.
Yung pwede pa lang ano, pwede representative, kailangan lang may quorum. Tungkol lang yung food pack, yung nire-release sa 46 million. Food distribution,
46 million.
mga siguro bigas yung mga taga San Pablo. Kailangan lang ng quorum ng 80 ng barangay.
Yan, sa baba.
Pwede yung representative, tinex na sa amin.
Yan, yan.
Sa DC namin.
Kita na si...
Sekretary ni...
Anak, sumasunod. Totoo. Panita ko.
Ano ba yan?
Okay.
Hindi, yun, ano yan?
Ano po, Chairman?
Pop,
Ako. Ay, ubos na. Hindi ikaw yan.
Papalakas daw at hindi nagpapa...
Tokwa.
Dadaya.
Ayan, Chairman. Ito ko.
Yan, masarap po.
Oo, yun.
Manapin yan.
Oh, tapos na si, ano, di si...
Sabi mo lang kay Cynthia, hindi ko nakapansin si Cynthia.
Ano, dyan nga.
Paglabas yung pera sa kanila,
Ay, sorry,
sa
sorry.
kanila ang diretsyo noon,
Pero hindi ko nabanggit.
hindi ko nabanggit, hindi ko nakikita nga eh. Hindi naglalabas eh. Ano naman to?
Show mo po.
Ang dami yung ano ah. Mandi natin yan. Hindi ko nakikita eh, parang kaya na yata ano eh.
Pero alam na na
Pwede
Terodi.
kanina.
Ha?